Hey, welcome to the Windows XP Business Evaluation Kit. No, I'm not the kit. I'm Brian Valentine, Senior Vice President of the Windows Division at Microsoft. Windows XP is going to be the next greatest operating system from Microsoft. In fact, it's not only the next greatest, it is going to be the greatest. Windows XP isn't built on that Windows 95 base that we've all known and loved and, well, maybe not loved so much. It's built on an enhanced Windows 2000 engine, and it features a fresh new look that is the most significant update to the Windows interface since Windows 95. It's cool, it's easy, it's simple, it's everything you want in that UI. It's intuitive, no training for your users, just pick it up and go. New real-time communication features open up a whole new way of communicating with peers around the world. You can talk to your people anywhere. We built Windows XP for you. We built it to make your business more efficient. We built it to make you more successful. But that's not all. I need something back from you. RC1 of Windows XP is in this kit. I need you to take a look at it and get me that feedback as quickly as possible, because we need your feedback to make it a great product. And as a matter of fact, just don't look at RC1. Review the contents of this kit, as it contains information designed to help you evaluate and plan for a successful deployment of Windows XP in your organization. Not only do I, Brian Valentine, thank you, but the Windows Division thanks you also. You guys are great customers. Keep it up. We'll keep building products for you. It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.